Hey, teachers, let's be honest for a second. If your classroom feels louder than it should, if transitions take forever, if you feel like you're constantly correcting behavior instead of teaching, this does not make you a bad teacher. You're just missing the right systems. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest classroom management mistakes that I see as an instructional coach and curriculum leader, especially with new teachers, and more importantly, the exact fixes that actually work. So let's get into it. Mistake number 1 is not establishing clear expectations from day one. Students cannot meet expectations they don't understand. Saying be respectful or make good choices is not establishing clear expectations. That is simply expressing your desired behavior from your students. Too many teachers say the rules once and assume students know what they look like. The fix is teaching routines and expectations the same way you teach reading. You model it, you practice it, you correct it, you revisit it. Want students to line up quietly? Show them exactly how. Want independent work time to run smoothly? Practice what it sounds like and looks like. And here's the part people skip. Reteach them daily, especially the first 6 weeks of school or when your class needs a reset. This isn't lost instructional time. This is the exact instruction that students need in order to establish clear expectations and systems where true learning happens. Mistake number 2, reacting instead of responding. When a student disrupts the class, it's easy to snap. We're human, but emotional reactions escalate behavior. Calm responses shut it down. The fix is the 5-second pause. Before you say anything, pause. Count to 5. Take 1 breath. That pause keeps you in control. Students feed off your energy. If you stay calm, the situation stays small. If you react emotionally, you've just handed them the power. Control your response, and you control the room. Mistake number 3 is trying to control everything. Here's the hard truth. You cannot control students, but you can teach them how to regulate themselves. Teachers burn out when they try to micromanage every movement, every noise, every decision. The fix is to teach self-regulation on purpose. Give students visual reminders. Offer structured choices. Teach calming strategies before behavior happens. Self-regulation is not automatic. It's taught, just like math and reading. When students know what to do instead of what not to do, behavior improves fast. Mistake number 4, ignoring the power of routines. No routines means chaos. Strong routines mean freedom. Students behave better when they know exactly what's coming next. This fix starts with 3 non-negotiables. Number 1, a morning routine. Number 2, a transition routine. Number 3, a dismissal routine. If those 3 are solid, the rest of your day runs smoother automatically. Predictability reduces anxiety. Reduced anxiety reduces behavior. This is old school classroom management. And lastly, mistake number 5 is skipping relationship building. And yes, this matters just as much as rules. Students don't work hard for teachers they don't trust. The fix is 2-minute check-ins, 2 minutes a day, short conversations, eye contact, listening, really listening. You don't need to be their friend. You need to be their safe adult. When students feel seen, behavior shifts. Period. If you're thinking, I need all of this organized in one place, that's exactly why I created my Teacher Survival and Success Classroom Management and Planning Toolkit. It includes behavior trackers, planning templates, parent communication scripts, real tools you can use tomorrow, not theories, and GPT prompts that can give you solutions in seconds. The link is in the description. You don't need to reinvent classroom management. You need strong systems and the confidence to stick to them. You've got this, and your classroom can feel calm, focused, and purposeful, on purpose.